Hi guys, today we compare Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra launched on July 2024. The dimension 6.31 inch width, 2.96 inch, 8.4 mm thickness, and the weight is 211 gram, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024, the body dimension 6.47 inch height, 3 inch width and 9.5 mm thickness. The weight is 221 gram, and the build front and back glass are equal leather back and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display type of Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra come with OLED 68 billion color screen type and 144Hz refresh rate, and the screen brightness is 4000 nits peak off, and the screen size is 6.67 inches with 89.1% screen to body ratio, and the resolution is 1.5K with 446 ppi density. The protection is scratch drop resistant glass. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type with 120Hz refresh rate and the 4500 nits peak of brightness with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus. The screen size is 6.82 inches with 90.3% screen to body ratio, and the screen resolution is 2K with 510 ppi density. The screen protection is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The camera setup of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra comes with triple camera setup. Main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro with LED dual tone flash HDR panorama, and it's record 8K 30fps video with gyro. The front selfie camera is 20 megapixel wide with HDR and 1080p 30fps video record. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 2.58x optical zoom, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 6x optical zoom, and 50 megapixel ultra wide with Hasselblad color calibration LED flash HDR panorama, and it's record 4K 60fps video with gyro HDR 10-bit video Dolby Vision. The front selfie camera is 32 megapixel wide with panorama, and it's record 4K 60fps video. The memory of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra comes with 12 GB, 16 GB and 124 GB of RAM, and the internal storage is 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB with UFS 4.0, and it could not support micro SD card and nano memory card. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 12 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM. The internal storage is 256 GB, 512 GB with UFS 4.0 and could not support micro SD card nano memory card. The battery backup: the Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra comes with 5500 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging, and it supports reverse wired charging. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging, and it supports reverse wired charging too. The commons and the features of Oppo Find X7 Ultra: it's come with Wi-Fi 6 R7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, infrared port, USB Type-C 3.2, OTG, fingerprint under display, color spectrum, gyro, proximity, compass, emergency SOS via satellite messages and calls, stereo speakers, and IP68 water and dust resistant. The Xiaomi Redmi K70 Ultra comes with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, infrared port, Type-C, fingerprint under display, gyro, proximity, compass and color spectrum, and it supports IP68 water and dust resistant, and it has stereo speakers too.